Okay, everybody, so I'm going to show you how to make avocado toast today. Turns out I do have a piece of sourdough bread, and we are going to show you how to do this. So I've got a avocado halved. Yes, it's store-bought. It's a local avocado. And it just has a little teeny bit of a dark spot right there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put butter on here. I'm going to put this in my air fryer and get this going. And then I'm going to mash my avocado into the cup and put a little lemon juice and salt. And then we're going to proceed in making this amazing avocado toast with our fresh sprouts. Okay, so I have put all of the butter on here and I'm going to put it into the air fryer. Okay, you guys, if you have not had air fryer toast, oh boy, are you missing something. So this is so good. My air fryer is a little bit different than other air fryers in that I have racks. So it goes at 400 for 5 minutes. I have racks in there. This thing has a rotisserie. It's got baskets up here on the top. It's really, I mean, well, they go in the bottom, but it's really, really cool. So I will show you guys how this works and how the sandwich works, not the toast. You guys know how to make toast. Okay, so I have made the avocado. I just put some of my Himalayan sea salt in there and just a little tiny bit of lime juice, and that's it. Just mashed it. That's what I'm going to put onto my toast. So I just want to tell you guys that this is a repeat of the sprout video. This part is in the sprout video as well. I know some of you guys don't care about sprouts, but others of you do love avocado sauce. Avocado toast. It's early in the morning, you guys. So that's why I'm putting it in both videos. So you're going to see this in the sprout video. You're going to see this in the avocado toast video. So bear with me there. Just trying to appeal to everybody because not everybody likes sprouts. Not everybody likes avocado toast, right? Okay, so here is the toast. Again, if you guys have not tried air fryer toast, it's time to try it. You won't go back to the toaster or toaster oven. It comes out different. It is so good. It's so crispy. Good on that side. I didn't put any butter on that, but it's nice and crispy, and it just tastes amazing. So I don't usually put any butter on this. So the only thing I put on this is my avocado. I'm gonna change hands here so I can do this right-handed. So what I do is I take a little bit of the avocado and I just like to spread it on the toast. So, and I put a good amount of avocado on my toast. If you guys have been to any restaurants or juice bars or anything where they sell this, or maybe where you get your avocado toast, after doing this with your homemade sprouts, you are not going to go back to buying this. Okay, so I have seen a piece of toast like this, just a piece of sourdough toast in a juice bar, go for $14. Just exactly the way I'm going to do it right now. It's crazy, but it's all the rage right now, and it has been for quite a few years. But it's so good, and it's so good for you. Everything you put on here is delicious. It's healthy. You want to use whole grain bread, you can use whole grain bread. This is just a basic sourdough. Okay, let me get this all spread. And if you don't make your own sprouts, you can certainly buy them. Farmers Market has them. Good grocery stores have them. Just make sure that they're nice and fresh. So we're going to take some of our sprouts and we're just going to lay them on the toast, kind of in a thin layer because you don't want to just eat sprouts. And kind of spread them around. Tell you guys, this is my favorite breakfast. My husband likes pancakes or waffles and French toast on the weekends, and during the week, this is what I eat. Nice and healthy. And again, I use these for sandwiches. They are great in pita bread with some gyro meat, if you have that, or some chicken. They are great in chicken salad sandwiches as well. I put them in egg salad sandwiches. And this is all that there is to it. And really, when you're getting that toast from the restaurants or whatever, juice bars, this is all they're doing. It's just exactly what I'm doing. So easy. Save yourself some money. If you don't make your own sourdough, get a good sourdough. If you have San Luis sourdough in your area, that is like the best sourdough to get. Just get a good bread, good sprouts, a good tasting avocado, and there you have it. An amazing avocado toast. Amazing. And that, I swear, that costs $14 here in some juice bars and some restaurants. You guys know that I live in California by the beach, but I've seen these also, I'm going to put a little bit more. I've seen these also in resorts when we travel in Mexico, and they're just as pricey in some of the resorts. Not ours, but in some of the garden to table, farm to table restaurants that we go to. They're just as pricey. So that's how easy it is, you guys, and that's how delicious it is. So I hope that you enjoyed this, and I hope it inspires you to make your own sprouts and some avocado toast and some other cool things with it. So get healthy, and I will put the links for the products in the description below. If they're not in the video right away, they will be by this evening. Thank you for watching, and there is an update to my channel coming very, very shortly. Thank you guys, and thanks for your patience. I know I've been MIA for a little bit, and I'm really sorry, but there's been a lot going on. I'll explain that in the update video. There will be the giveaway. I have not forgotten about the giveaway. I really feel horrible about not doing the giveaway sooner, but we do have 2 more giveaways to do, and we are going to get to those, I promise. There's just been some things come up with me, and we'll get to those soon. So word of the day is going to be avocado toast. Don't forget to comment the word of the day, and I will see you guys soon.